guys, I got a new car. You saw me recording. So guys, I got a new car. It is a Ford. It's a Ford. Whatever this is, I don't know, C-Max, whatever. It's pretty dope. Yeah, I passed my driving license already, and now I'm gonna take it for a spin. Little, you know. Gonna take it for a little spin, you know. Let's go. I'm joking, guys. This is not gonna be my car. It's gonna be a family car for my dad. Well, for everyone. Yeah. So it wasn't obviously for me, man. Okay, I'm gonna go out this car, guys. What's going on? Man's gonna drive. He's not even gonna pay for it. He's just gonna just drive out of it. Let me just get in as well, you know. Just get in the car. Oh, it's really soft and everything. Ooh. Let's just drive away now. Oh. Oh. Let's just drive away now. Left me, man. They freaking left me. There's no one in the car. I'm freaking alone in this. Oh my god. Are you going without me or something? Why is the freaking opening? It doesn't open. Hello? I can't open the door. I don't touch me. Yeah. Oh my god. Wow, whatever. Oh, it's even open. Yeah. Freaking. Duh. Okay, I'm out loud. Yeah, let's get it. Or not. It's pretty dope. This car's actually pretty sick, actually. But the view is pretty sick as well. Look at that dope. Well, I can't really see much, but see there? That's a freaking nice view. Look at these cars. Look how clean and everything they look. Yo, these cars actually. Look how sick these are. Yo. These look so shiny. Look at those. This is the one that we're getting, but like in red, I think. I don't know. I think this is a newer version or something. I don't know. Yo. These are pretty sick cars, you know. Pretty cool place. There's no Lamborghinis though, so. Look how shiny every car looks though, look. Shiny, shiny, shiny. Don't mind if I do. Test driving the car. See how it like thingy. Like drives, like how it feels.
You looking at the back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh. My dad forgot how to drive. Yo.
It's a left.
That view. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. Oh my god, the view is amazing though. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, look at that. Yo. That actually looks sick. The massive hills over there. Yo, look up. This is Blackburn. It's pretty nice, you know. It's like a little nice town. Look at this little street. Kind of like Blackburn. Kind of like it, you know. Little hairdressing salon. We just got some money for the car to pay because I don't know, something, I don't know. Look how cool this is. This place is. It's like that one's actually pretty cool. It's kind of a lot different than this little shop. Okay, now I need to see that. It's kind of a lot different from thingy. Black Bull. Oh. Yo, that is just like amazing. That just looks so cool. Can't really see it properly on the camera. But we finally got the car. But now I think we're gonna like drive back home now. Well, not like, yeah, we're gonna get something to eat first and then we might drive back home. I'm not sure though, but we got the car. Well, Dad's driving it now. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so we're soon gonna be back home. 5 and yeah. Look at that cool little, whatever that thing is, I don't even know. Look at that car, look at that car, look at that. Damn. Anyways, we need to get some food because I'm pretty damn hungry. So what is it doing? What are you doing? Yo, look at that car. Yo. And there was the Lamborghini mountain map there. These views are just too much, man. These views are just too much. Yo. I'm about to throw them some guys. Shout out to Adele.
And we're going straight up.
Yo, look at that. I wish I could zoom this camera. These are amazing. The camera just doesn't want to zoom. For like about an hour. Wow, this is freaking loud. And we just stopped at McDonald's and I really need the toilet really bad. And this is the car, it's so thick. This is the car. No. It's so good. But I really need the toilet, so let's go. Let's go. Look at this really old. What even is that? I really need the toilet. And it's freaking cold as well. Just look at the weather. It's freaking cold. And I really need a toilet. So, hurry up, people. Hurry up. Look at all this. Yo. So, we're gonna take like, I think like, what people are watching me because I'm vlogging here, but it's gonna take like 1 hour. Like, I think 1 hour to get home. But, yeah. Been a pretty good day. But I think it's starting to rain now. I don't know. It's really not. Yeah, we're gonna be back home like in an hour after you finish this. Yeah. So we left McDonald's now. Now we're on our way back to the car. Yeah. How's that? Like flipping birds, whatever. Okay. It's freezing. That was so good though. The food was so good. There's the car. There's the car. Our little car. Little car. We're gonna be back home in like 1 hour. Let's just film the motorway for a bit. I don't know why I'm filming this, but I'm like freezing. But I can just get in this freaking car. Okay. Okay, I'm getting it. We have just stopped at Lidl to get some groceries. Yeah, we're back in like Wolverhampton. No, is it Wolverhampton? Maar het is Bilston, dingen. Wat is Bilston, dingen? Yeah, we're at Bilston. So it's like by our house and stuff. So we're not in Blackburn anymore, which is kind of sad, but it's freaking freezing though. So yeah, I'm not even in focus. Great. New car, new car, new car. Anyways, we're going in now. So it's fucking freezing. Yo, so I am back home. We just legit just came back now. It is currently 25 minutes till 6, which is, we left the house at like, I think it was like maybe 10 or something. I'm not sure what time it actually was, but like, now it's like maybe 6. So I thought we were gonna be like longer. Yeah, well, I thought we was gonna be longer because I don't know. I thought it might take a bit longer because first we took a train there to Blackburn, and then we came back with the new car, which is sick. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope this vlog actually gets uploaded because last time I did a vlog, but I couldn't really upload it. Well, I couldn't upload it because it said I had like an error or something like that, and I was like, how can I have an error or like that I didn't have enough like memory on my thingy. But I know that I had memory and stuff, so I was able to do it, but like there was some sort of error, I don't know. So I did a vlog last week and I couldn't upload it. It was like a 12-minute vlog anyway, but I bet this vlog is like really long now. So I'm gonna end this vlog. I hope it gets uploaded. So if you're watching this, it is on YouTube. It is uploaded, so that's good. But if it's not, then you're not watching it, and it's kind of like sad. Although it's like, I filmed so much today as well, which would be just a shame if it wouldn't be uploaded. So yeah. Hello. 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 Oh, I'm gonna have a shit. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh yeah, this is also, let me just show you this real quick. So as you all know that I got, actually you don't know, actually I have like 3 wardrobes in my room. Like 1, 2, well actually no, I had that one as well. But now my room, oh sorry about my coat and stuff, but now my room looks a little bit different. Okay, the first thing that has changed is this, my little thingy. Now I have this one because this was my parents' before, and now is this is mine. This is my little like chest of drawers with all my stuff in it. So because I didn't have it before, so I have it. This is new. This is new. This used to be like a dresser thing. Now it's like a little shelving unit thing because I didn't have a shelving unit, and that's me when I was a little baby. Yeah, that's what changed in my room. Basically, this changed. So this was here before. Now it's that. Now it's that. Now it's that. Well, now it's this. But now I also got a little mirror as well because my dad smashed my other mirror, which was there. But now, my room just looks so much better. It just looks like a different room. Like only 2 things like that changed, and this, and it looks like a different freaking room. And this, the mirror is sick though. I kind of like the mirror. Yeah. So, and that's how I feel right there. Anyways, I just showed you my room, how it looks like now. It's a bit messy, but whatever. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I bet it's like 20 minutes long or something. And yeah, give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you next vlog. I hope this vlog gets uploaded though. So yeah, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you next vlog. Bye.